Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Well, we came out here to a little old pond, probably hard to see right now, this morning to see if we can catch us some fish. So let's get out there on the water and see what we can do. Alright, so we're out here on the water. Sorry about the camera being shaky. I've been seeing some good popping. A little bit of a late start for my liking. But I'm not that big of a morning person anyway. Got this bobber up here in front of us. I done me a little crappie minnow rig. I don't know how, but I flung him off first thing. We're gonna let him float right there for a minute. I think I want to start back over here in this corner. Like I said, this ain't a real big pond, but it's got some nice fish in it. I think since we're going over here, we're going to toss this old Timu whopper plopper out and just let it troll behind us. Brought me some crappie minnow out here with me, and oh Lord, that was a nice bass, just jumped over there. Crappie minnows, wigglers, and all my lures, or some of my lures. And he's just hitting left and right. Guess I need to get this crappie rigged back up. See if we can get this crappie minnow thrown out there amongst them. my coffee. While we're at it, we're gonna go ahead and throw this wiggler out there. See if there's some brims hiding. Crappie minnow went under. We hooked onto something. Got us a little bass. Nope, 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 nope. He's looked pretty good. Not a huge one, but he's a bass. Well, we caught the one. That was it. But we might come back out here this evening. We tried the morning, we tried the evening. We need to try this evening, so we might come back out this evening and try it. If so, we'll see you back here in just a second. If not, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.